Hey guys, welcome back my S&M family. So today I'm gonna be showing you a video again, a part 2 video I should say, of my Burlington find. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the last video that I did. If you haven't watched it before, check it out down below guys, and comment, like, share.
Bam, bam! Me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment, and subscribe. Zam, bam! My mama.
Say guys, a big thanks to all my subscribers who continue to support, and welcome all my new subscribers guys. Like I always said, if you watch this video for 1 second, hit the thumbs up button guys, share the video and comment on the video guys, and if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for guys? You'll be missing out on all the goodies, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of my next. Look at that guys, it's really nice bag, very sturdy. As you could see, the strap is stitched. And it also comes with a little pocket right there, so you could put your little stuff. And it also come in a little trinket. And bottom Calvin Klein sign, so it's 3 compartment. And okay, so that's it, and it's very big, as you can see, very big, so this can hold a lot. And I like the feel of the leather, very sturdy, very big. So this one I bought in Burlington. It's at a marked down price. It was $168. Now I got it for $79.99. So that's a very good deal. $79.99. Very good deal guys. And I also got another one. One is like a little, very lightweight, and it's, that's the inside. And the inside is very big. Also come with an inside pocket, and it also come with this zipper pocket on the inside. So it comes with 2 pockets. Very nice bag. You could put any stuff you have here. If you don't want too much weight on it, you just put this on like a knapsack. That is why I bought it guys, because sometimes my handbag get really overweight and it's basically hurting my shoulders. So with the back strap, I'm thinking that the weight can be evenly balanced on my back. And this one is saying the Madden girl. So this one is a Steve Madden bag. Let me see the price. The price was $68, and I got it for $24.99. Guys, that's why I like Burlington, because Burlington, like I said, you can get the brand name stuff for an affordable price. So those are the 2 bags. That's why. Guys, look at the price. Oh, it's only $10 guys, $9.99, and it look really good. I like the natural feel to it. Oh my god, this one feels just like the tree, the wood bark, you know, around it. And it have this nice finish. I can't wait to try this one out. I love this one. I love this one. So guys, comment below and tell me which is your favorite piece. Just comment below guys, because I know you guys must have a favorite. Just comment below and tell me which is your favorite piece. And this, as you know, I love Cruising Smart. So I got me another saucepan at Burlington, and of course it's a lifetime warranty, so you can't go wrong again. And it comes with a glass lid. And I'm gonna check the size for you guys. The size is 5 quart. So this is a big one. This is a big one, size cut. And you know the thing I like about Cruising Smart brand, they keep the sheen, and you cook anything in these and it doesn't burn so easily. Most of the time when I see them in stores, they are always kind of pricey, so I'm always skipping around. But then when I saw it in Burlington and one other place that I saw it in, the price was ridiculous cheap, so I had to get it. And this price, guys, is only, look at the price, guys, $24.99. So I had to get it. And I'll tell you how it works out in terms of when I'm preparing meal and how well it sits up on the fire, how evenly it cooks, should I say. And this is another little find in Amazon. This is an Adidas hat, and you know it's getting warm out, and it's basically coming on to the summer. So I saw this and I said, okay, this could keep my locks back, you know, if it gets really sweaty. Sorry for the stutter, guy. If it get really sweaty outside, instead of the sweating coming down in my face, I could just flip this around my hair and it will protect me from, I'm going to show you guys. See? It will protect the sweat from coming down into my face. Isn't this cute? I think it is cute. It is cute, right? So you're right. And it's white. So you can't go wrong. I mean, you can't go wrong on white. White go with everything. Right? And this is, I'm going to tell you the price. You know it's Adidas. And it's only, check it out, guys. Check it out. Check it out. It's only $10, guys. $9.99. You know, so this is a really cute one. And this I also got for myself also, guys. It looked very comfortable. I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't try it on. I just went ahead and picked it up, and I felt the weight of it. I said, you know, I like lightweight sneakers, and I said, oh, look at the color. I've never owned a red sneakers before. I'm talking white because I love white. So I'm always picking up stuff in white and stuff in gray, stuff, you know, like colors like that. Colors like those. Oh, come on, Mary, what is wrong with your tongue? It keeps twisting. I think I'm rushing, right? Anyways, so this is a Puma sneakers. You see the brand right there? It also have the Puma logo at the back and at the side. And I picked this up in Burlington. I'm gonna bring it up closer so you guys could see. The price is very affordable. See, I picked it up in Burlington for $39.99 for sneakers that it looks durable, and it's a Puma brand, and it's lightweight. As you can see, it's lightweight and it's very nice. For $40, guys. Can't beat that. $40. Very good deal. I'm gonna be showing you some more. See? I got this pillow. I don't know where I'm gonna put this one yet. I haven't yet decided. But I saw this in Burlington, and it was at the, sorry, I turned it upside down. It was at the discount section. As you know, they always have those little discount section towards the back, clearance, should I say. I got this one for only $2, guys, so I had to get it. Haven't decided where I'm gonna put it, but it's a very good deal. I also got this. I was looking for a ceramic one. You know, those kind of marble finish ones, like the black and white marble finish, because they are in right now. So I was looking for them, and I'm always sticking to like the natural stuff. So when I see this wooden one, it was hard to resist. And it's also cruising smart. See? That's my favorite brand in pot. I haven't bought anything else other than pot from that brand. But I'm gonna check this out to see. I like the wooden tone to it, and I also like this metal, which is coming a dark finish. So I'm gonna check this out. This is a paper holder, so it's not much you can't it's not much to lose, so I choose it. And this was a $16 value, and I got it at $6.99, so that's basically a $7 value. Can't beat that. As I always said. It's cute. Guys, I also got this. I would say it's like a candle in it. It's a lantern. And the reason why I'm drawn to it is because of the finish. The dark finish kind of give it a dark finish to it. And the woven basket look to it. And I didn't know it was like a candle was inside it. I saw this thing and I was saying, what is that? But I know about it to put a candle or to put like on my table just as a decorative piece. But then when I take a look, I saw right here that you can flip it open and you can flip it on. It's actually, see, I mean, it's not working, it's flickering. I don't know why it's working like that. Maybe the battery need to change, but that's how it works. So it's really a candle. And if you want, you could always replace it and put your own candle in it. So this one, I got it at, it was like a $17 price, and I got it marked down for $9.99, so it's $10. So I had to get it. Can't leave the deals when you see them. So guys, I think that is it for now. And like I said, comment below any other haul you would want me to do, any other place you would want me to check out. I'll be more than happy to check it out for you guys. I am here to give you guys good content. So let me know in the comment section, guys. Thanks for the support, my S&M family. Good vibes, good company. Keep it real.